So boring. Gabriel, what did you say? Hi, teacher. Gabriel too, why are you late? I'm sorry I'm late. I didn't want to punish all of you today. Okay, fine.
A few moments later.
A small mom is a mini mom. Hey, you know I killed someone? What? It's green. Really? In Roblox. Don't make stupid jokes. Who's talking behind me? Me. Teacher, I wanted to go to the toilet. Tell me the truth. I just want to go out and play. If you leave, I'll beat you. Now I'm really going to beat you. Bye, teacher. I hate this world.